In cross-border trade, there are many transaction issues may occur from time to time. What are you most concerned about during the transaction? Safe payment, compliance, or fulfillment? Today, I'm going to take you to talk about the secure trading services. From payment to delivery, we keep your money safe with no fees, which is secure trading services on Made-in-China.com. Secure trading services is an online transaction service aimed to protect secure transactions. It is available for both buyers and suppliers. Using it, you can control every link of fund release to ensure the timely delivery of goods and safety of funds. Why secure trading services? With the secure trading services, we can guarantee the money, the goods, and trade compliance. It guarantees your order with no fees. Return and refund are also available. If there is an issue, our team will try our best to help you solve it. How to use it? Start order with suppliers. Log into your account and go to Transactions, My STS. Then click Apply for Secure Trading Services to initiate the order. Besides, the pre-shipment product inspection included in Secure Trading Services can help buyers control the product quality and reduce potential risks. Pay to Made-in-China.com. Once the application is complete, the receiver will receive a confirmation email. Click the email to confirm the order. Then click View Details of your STS application, and bank information will be found at the bottom of the page. Securely pay with your preferred method to Made-in-China.com. The payment can only be made by bank transfer. Delivery. The supplier will ship the products. If both parties choose SGS inspection service, SGS inspection agency will inspect the goods at the supplier's place before shipment. Pay to supplier. After delivery, the supplier shall provide relevant logistics vouchers to STS and the buyer. After obtaining the buyer's consent, STS will release the payment to the supplier. Contact us. For more FAQs, please contact us at STS@Made-in-China.com. From payment to delivery, we keep your order safe with no fees. Start order now!